She will also receive special award as Best in Writing, Best in Reading, Best in Mathematics, and the Record Praise Award, Eager Beaver Award, Team Player Award, Kinder Body Award, Task Champ Award, Determined Kid Award, Brave Soul Award, Enthusiastic Learner Award, Young Dancer Award, Artistic Hands Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Sporty Kid Award, and Star Reader Award.